So first pane on, make sure you've got your upright. If you're doing is it 300 by 600, I would definitely go for more curved spring, and you want to go for your pointy ends on that side on the spring handle. Two of them. You go under your upright. Under your upright. Under your upper. Face it. I would say do that to start with. Get your goes under and over. That's it. I think you can kind of do one then the other. Come on. That's it. There we go. Second one done. And you want to measure them up, see if you can get them a bit more in the middle. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm happy with that. That's your second one. Now the handle doesn't go necessarily all the way through the lid, so just bear that in mind. But I'm going to use this for warming the soil up. Should be nice. And we'll get the So I'm going to use this to warm this section of the bed up just for this weekend, and then we'll get the other bed cleared, and we'll hopefully get some early sowings of peas. I'm going to just try and put a board or something just to try and cut down on the wind tunnel effect for now before we get any more glass. But that was tricky, but hopefully it's going to be worth it.